As done annually, Bijoy Govinda Sevayat Committee BGSC Imphal organized 247th Heikru Hidongba celebration at Bijoy Govinda Thangapat, Sagolband today in the presence of Jyoti Bala, the better half of Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala. The function was also attended by Sagolband constituency MLA RK Imu, BGSC President RK Rajmanisana and various IMC corporators. The event began with the offering of prayers and conducting rituals, which was followed by the exciting boat race, locally known as Thangapat. It may be mentioned that Heikru Hidongba is an age-old religious and cultural festival of Manipur, held annually on the 11th day of Langban, according to the Manipuri lunar calendar.
Mamangi chahi amanida laibakidana masi pangdokong namgide adugu sigumba yai paraba numitsida ngasi Manipur punamakta akoigi shanti leiba ama punna leminaba aduga tungda phagadoba prosper tominaraga ama toina leminaba adugumba sigumba chaniga putare chuba adugumba Heikru Hidongbagi pangdokpa akoigi lopok le khomba akoigi ibudau ananta saina hobokiramba Sri Bijoy Govindagi Thangapatki mafam sida haidnai mayamda afaba shanti oiba adugumba leba ama hoisunu haidnai smai tamjani akoina khangbadan ngarang chi ama tengnajai VVIP ama lakani haibagi maduna akoina expect tawjai ado afaba hoisunu if mana lakaba adugumba oiragadi maduda akoigi Manipur da oiba peacefully amu hanna akoigi samna haibada national highway hangdoktana adagidi akoigi leiriba border na kuiba issues mayam chi masi solve tawiba aduga tangai badna akoigi leiriba Manipur gi indigenous praja mayam ko yellow mi singi madumba kanan bi constitutional protection gu madumba ayeng tungda phaba adugumba piri go di yam aphabo igani na ithamjai